Think about the word oil. What comes to mind? A gas station? A massive offshore, a plume of black smoke? Most of us view oil entirely through the lens of fuel, something we put into our cars or burn for energy. But what if I told you that right now, you are completely surrounded by oil? In fact, it's practically impossible to go 5 minutes without touching it. Let's play a quick game. Look around the room you're in. If we instantly deleted every single product derived from crude oil, your car wouldn't just stop running. Your smartphone would dissolve in your hand. The synthetic carpet beneath your feet would vanish. The shoes you're wearing, the glasses on your face, and even the toothbrush you used this morning, gone. Welcome to Industry Decoded. In this first video, we are stripping away the politics and looking at the raw, undeniable reality. Why oil is the foundation of modern civilization, why it's embedded in almost everything you touch, and what it actually takes to change that. Let's dive in. When we pump crude oil out of the ground, it's a thick, complex mixture of hydrocarbons. We send it to a refinery, and yes, about 45% of it becomes gasoline to power cars. Another chunk becomes diesel and jet fuel, but a massive, vital portion of that barrel is dedicated to something else entirely: petrochemicals. Petrochemicals are the chemical building blocks of the modern world. Through cracking and refining, oil gives us ethylene, propylene, and benzene. If those sound like high school chemistry terms, let's translate them into English. They are the raw materials for plastics, synthetic rubber, resins, and nylon. Without this specific fraction of the oil barrel, the modern supply chain collapses. It's the protective casing on medical equipment, the insulation on the wires carrying electricity to your house, and the lightweight composites that keep airplanes in the sky. We don't just burn oil, we build our world out of it. Let's talk about food. You might think your organic salad has nothing to do with fossil fuels, but global agriculture is essentially a system that turns energy into calories. Natural gas and oil derivatives are fundamental to the production of synthetic nitrogen fertilizers via the Haber-Bosch process. Before this innovation, the Earth could only sustain a fraction of its current population. Today, fields fertilized using these methods feed nearly half of humanity. Without them, global crop yields would instantly plummet, triggering catastrophic food shortages. Beyond growing the food, consider how it stays fresh. The plastic packaging that prevents food waste, oil. The tractors tilling thousands of acres, diesel. The refrigerated trucks delivering fresh produce across continents, powered and lubricated by oil. The modern food system is entirely lubricated by hydrocarbons. If there is one place where oil is absolutely irreplaceable today, it's inside a hospital. Walk into any emergency room, and you are looking at a monument to petrochemical engineering. Sterile gloves, disposable syringes, IV bags, tubes, heart valves, and artificial joints are all made from specialized plastics derived from oil. They are lightweight, incredibly cheap to produce, and crucially, they can be thrown away after one use to prevent deadly cross-contamination. It goes deeper than equipment. Many pharmaceuticals, including common aspirin, antibiotics, and antihistamines, use benzene and other oil derivatives as synthetic baselines. In a very literal sense, modern medicine relies on oil to save lives every single second. But what about the digital age? We're moving to the cloud, right? Well, the cloud lives in massive data centers. And those data centers require miles of heavy-duty plastic-insulated cables, high-performance cooling systems made of synthetic materials, and circuit boards laced with epoxy resins. Even our transition to renewable energy relies heavily on oil. A modern wind turbine requires hundreds of gallons of specialized oil lubricants to keep its gears turning smoothly in harsh conditions. The massive blades, they are made of fiberglass and carbon fiber bonded with petroleum-based resins. The solar panels on your roof, they are sealed and protected by synthetic polymers. While passenger cars are electrifying rapidly, the heavy lifters of our economy cargo ships, carrying 20,000 containers across the Pacific, long-haul freight trucks, and commercial aviation don't have viable, scalable battery alternatives yet. They require the high energy density that only liquid hydrocarbon fuels can provide. So, where does this leave us? Acknowledging our deeper reliance on oil isn't about ignoring climate change or abandoning green energy. It's about understanding the sheer scale of the challenge ahead. Electrifying our grid is just step one. Replacing a gasoline engine with a battery is relatively straightforward, but finding a scalable, affordable, and equally versatile replacement for the petrochemicals that make up our medical supplies, infrastructure, and agricultural systems That is one of the greatest engineering hurdles of the 21st century. To build a true alternative, we have to understand exactly what we are trying to replace. We can't just unplug the system. We have to re-engineer it from the molecular level up. The global economy is a complex, interconnected machine, and oil is the thread woven through almost every part of it. On this channel, we're going to pull back the curtain on the hidden systems, the finance, the energy, and the raw mechanics that keep our world running. If you want to understand the world beneath the surface, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment below with the one product that surprised you the most today, and I'll see you in the next breakdown. Thanks for watching.